Sunday morning, and it says something like this. It's been a long week and my spirit's feeling kind of low. Been giving 100% of myself everywhere I go. When you pour out so much of yourself, it just seems like it's never enough.